Hi there and welcome to our YouTube channel ChopChopChef. Today you and me, we're doing, yes, believe it or not, baked potato. As simple as that. Yeah? But I thought, look, most of you know it already, but there's definitely people out there who probably be interested what I have to say, and that's what I do here today. Okay? So baked potato, ideally, yes, you have a beautiful Idaho potato or a nice large starchy potato. That would do the trick. And yes, there's many sort of opinions out there how a baked potato should be done. What I show you today, and I explain a few things to you. So one is you can take a potato and then you spike them with a fork on the top, yeah, just a little bit, bang 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 bang. So that's one version. Another version is you can use a little bit of aluminium foil, like we're doing here, and wrap the potato. When you wrap them, obviously make sure that you not wrap them 4 or 5 times and you make plenty layers on top of the potato. That's not the idea, right? So like that, bang, and then you fold this one underneath, sort of that's your base. There's the other option. Okay, easy. So we have option 1, the spiked ones, option 2, the foil one, and believe it or not, and the other one we just leave as it is. Now a potato is, don't quote me on that please, right? As I say, around 70% plus of water, right? This is sort of, that's the main thing. When you're putting your holes in there, yes, definitely some of the water will evaporate, right? This one here will contain everything, right? So those, they get a crispy skin. This will be not a crispy skin, obviously, you know, because all the steam and everything will be contained in the foil. Yeah. If you have a wobbly potato, yes, you can put them on rock salt, but no need. All right. So we have this one in the foil. We have this one is the spiked one, and they should come out nice and crisp. Okay. Next one. We want to make sure our potatoes, they get a little bit, yeah. They get a little bit first of oil. And why is this one? I'll tell you in a second. Okay, it's not to make them shiny, that's for sure not. Yeah, so give them a little bit of a rub. A rub. Here we go. All right. Then next, we put salt on. And don't be too shy on that. I actually should kept one potato without the oil, then you would have noticed why. Because if you don't put any oil on there, all the salt obviously falls off, right? Just falls down on the thing. So these babies, you know, they're going now in the oven by 210 degrees. I would say they probably take 50 minutes to 60. And please again, don't quote me on this one when you do your potato. If you have a larger potato, it takes probably 60 minutes to 70 minutes. Smaller potato, maybe 45 minutes. So let's put them in for 45. Then we're taking a small knife. We insert it and then we check it out. So this baby is going in the oven, 210 degrees, 45 minutes. We make the first test. Okay, everybody, remember our baked potato is in the oven. I told you 45 minutes, 210 degrees. But, there's always a but, right? So I checked it after 45 minutes and they were not ready. So I cranked it up for other 15 minutes. And that is done in 30 seconds from now. And I'm pretty sure they will be ready by then. But I just to show you quickly how you figure out when the potato is ready. Yeah. So because you definitely cannot touch this. They are hot, promise. Yeah. So when they are ready, we open the oven and we let the potato rest a little bit. Yeah. And then we continue. Okay, 4, 3 seconds, 2, 1, and bing! Here we go. Watch the steam, and heat. Oh yes, here are the babies coming. Look at that, beautiful. Now, of course, like as I said before, this one in the foil, the moisture is contained. Here, you hear that? That's, you won't have the crispy skin, you know. Some people like it, some don't. Yeah. But what we're doing now is we just take a sharp pointy knife and going in here, and if it comes out easy, potato ready. First we have to go through the crispy skin, but oh yeah, so easy. Yeah. So this is definitely ready. So let this be in peace for other 4 or 5 minutes, and then we continue. Right? Okay, here it is. I took our babies out of the out of the oven, our potatoes, and what we're doing now is we're giving it a good crisscross, right? So don't be too shy on that, like that. Yeah, okay, it's still very hot. And now we're pressing on the corners, and we press it down so this opens up, right? So this will be like that. Oh, this is hot. Ah, this is hot. Very good. This is very hot. Beautiful. Okay. And then we take this potato. Yes, number 1. We're putting that on here. Yeah. That's 1. Let's do 1 more. It's beautiful. You know, I can smell. It's so nice. Yeah. Again. Oh, this is hot. What are you saying? My fingers? Okay, let's have a look at what we're having here. 1 more. Okay, like this one in the foil. Okay, same thing. Of course, you leave it in the foil. Okay, same thing. Oh, okay. No, I don't like that one. I'll do 1 more. The spiked one, which a little bit less steam. Oh yeah, very good. Okay, now it's obviously options, right? What we're having. What I do today is, number 1 is, a long time ago I did cafe de Paris butter, right? So all what you do is you're plugging in a few of your cafe de Paris butter medallions and let it melt into your potato. Yeah, and this is so nice. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, this is option 1 for you. Option 2, you can use some nice dollops of sour cream, right? Don't be too shy on that one. And then you're putting some chives in there and some bacon, right? Here we go. Option number 2. Option number 3, very simple. You're using fresh, slightly salted butter, yeah, and let that melt in here. And here it comes, and then you're putting beautiful Parmesan cheese in there. Yes, and here goes as well a little bit chives. Yeah, you notice I like chives. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's 3 options of a topped baked potato. You can use chili con carne, you can use more or less anything you like to add on, and then you know you're taking a spoon and eat it nicely out like that. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Baked potato, simple but very nice. It's comfort food. You know, it's a staple diet in many countries in the world, and this gives a little bit of oomph to it, not just plain potato. All right, thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time.